If you hold the microphone icon, you will send a voice note, and if you just press once, you will switch to sending a video note, which is approximately 1 minute long. Also, you can switch between the front camera and the rear camera in the same video. One of the nice features about Telegram is that when I'm signed in from my laptop with the same number and from my mobile phone, I can synchronize between both. So let's say I delete from my phone number 10, it will automatically be deleted from my laptop, and vice versa. If I delete number 13 from my laptop, it will be deleted from my phone. And that's it for today. See you in the next video.